Hello students, today we are going to learn about reading comprehension. First you have to write your full name on the worksheet. Now let's read the directions. Read the text 3 times. Color a star after each time you read. So here 3 stars are given and my story is inside the box. So I need to read a story, then we will answer the following question. But need to read story 3 times. So here we go. At the pool. Jane and Anna are at the pool. Jane runs and jumps in the pool. Anna jumps in the pool too. Then Jane and Anna play and swim. The pool is fun, says Anna. So, you may color in this star. Then we have 2 more times to go. So, let's read it again. At the pool. Jane and Anna are at the pool. Jane runs and jumps in the pool. Anna jumps in the pool too. Then Jane and Anna play and swim. The pool is fun, says Anna. Now you may color in your second star. Now we need to read one more time. So let's read it again. At the pool. Jane and Anna are at the pool. Jane runs and jumps in the pool. Anna jumps in the pool too. Then Jane and Anna play and swim. The pool is fun, says Anna. So, you may color in third star. Now, we are going to answer the questions. Answer the questions and color the evidence in the text. So, where are Jane and Anna? Here, I want you to pick up your red color and you have to show the evidence in the story. So here we have where are Jane and Anna? Color the evidence. That means you need to show in the story that where is the answer. So, where are Jane and Anna? Jane and Anna are at the pool. So, we got the answer. Then, we highlight this sentence with the red pencil. Jane and Anna are at the pool. So, now you have to give the answer. Are they at the pool or at the park? Yes, of course, they are at the pool. Now, come to the next. Now, you have to take blue color. Then, who jumps in the pool? So here we are going to color that sentence. Jane runs and jumps in the pool with blue, because that's the answer. Jane runs and jumps in the pool. So we need to color blue. Now let's read the question again. Who jumps in the pool? Jane, and Anna. I think I need to go back to the story because I could read anything about Anna. Let's keep reading. Jean runs and jumps in the pool. Let's keep reading. Anna jumps in the pool too. It means they both are in the pool. So, I am going to color the sentence because it is also the part of my answer. Now, let's come to the question number 3. It doesn't have any choices. So you have to write answer in a sentence. First, you have to take the green color. I remember Anna was saying something. The pool is fun. Yeah, Anna is saying the pool is fun, says Anna. So you have to mark it with the green because this is the answer. Now let's read the question again. What does Anna think about the pool? So you have to pick up the pencil and write the answer. The pool is fun. Now let's read the question again. What does Anna think about the pool? So you have to write the answer. Now here illustrate the story. Illustrate means that you have to draw what happened in the story in this box. Hope you understand well how to comprehend the text and how to answer the following question. Now, I have an assignment for you. You have to do this worksheet as I told you. Hope you enjoyed and understand well that how can we do reading comprehension. So, goodbye. See you next time.